Okay guys, hello. Welcome back if you are watching and up to date, but I am fixing a Minimoto 50cc custom that I did myself. Well, I didn't build it myself, I bought the bike as it is and I put new bars on. I had to order new plastics, a back wheel and other things and engine, but the box is right there that I just got the delivery from. So what was in this box was very nice because it had a engine, and according to the papers there was a change in fuel, which there is a change in fuel. Hello, going from our beautiful bike. Put that to the side. Hopefully this chain's long enough because I've ordered too many. But there is the engine. Here's the bike. So see if I can try and sit this on something. Smells. Okay, I turned the bike over so it's easier to put on the screws for the engine, but I should have checked the engine in first. But before I do anything, I loosened that bolt right here, this bolt. I need to tighten it back up because it's really loose. But first, before I do that, I need to put the engine on, and I just realised I left the screws in the shed. So which screws are those? I'm pretty sure it's these two, no. I'm pretty sure it's these two. Two screws, beautiful screws. Oh, I need my spark plug as well. Actually, no, I don't. Actually, I might change my spark plug because this spark plug's pretty decent and it's better. So, go back up to the bike now. Well, I'm going to try and do this one-handed, but if I fail, this will be quite funny. Great. I'm kind of newbie at this, but obviously I'll try my very best to do what I can on this bike. So this will be fun. Well, I'm sorry if you can't see everything. Probably I'm just going to try and angle it towards the bike. And try my very best. Well, the first screw's on, which is good. Well, I'll show you what I'm doing now. Basically, I'm putting the screws on to hold the engine together. So, I'm going to pull you back down again, try and put you on the angle so you can see me. And get into the screw. Put it on the other end. But if you guys are enjoying this so far, please leave a like and comment down below and subscribe if you want to see me ride this or try and see if I can get some more builds done. Last screw, guys. Make sure it's very tight so it stays on and don't fall off. Almost. There we go, I'm done. So all I need to do now is put the exhaust on, and then I need to do that metal thing. But first of all, I should have done, before putting the bike on, I should have done the throttle cable. I can do that in a minute, so that'd be fun to do. Get the exhaust. Right, well, I'm gonna try and do this one hand. There you go, I got my piece. We go on here. Sorry if you guys ain't seeing this. There you go, I got the one screw on. I just need to put the other screw in. It seems like the bike does not want to. I think that this motorbike is very nice, but doesn't want to do what I need it to do. Let me see if I can get this end in first. Oh, what I have to. Ouch. Oh. You do not want to go in. Why? Why do you not want to go in? The one thing I do not want to do is force you in. That's gonna be fucking I got it in eventually. Ooh. Oof. Oof. Almost there now, guys. Oof, sorry. Okay. Just gotta do this side really quick. Nice and tight. There we go, so it doesn't come loose. Well, apparently you've still got more to turn, I see. You won't be anymore. I can feel you tighten up. Let's go. There you go, then. Well, that's back on. All I gotta do now is quickly try and find where the metal plate was. There it is. And oh, hellos. A bit more. Okay.